Hey guys, uMaNgcobo just shared a moment noNgaraj and I got so excited because kade vele ngangifuna labo you2 ukuthi babe a couple or babe a item. Yes, it was nothing much but it was promising. It was just a conversation, but I could tell from the way that they looked at each other something is brewing here. And I want to talk about that and more here on this video. But before starting with the video, I would like to request you guys to like it. And if you're subscribed to this channel, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scoring down it so that you can watch my previous videos. And I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. You know, after what uShwabi did to uMaNgcobo esikhathi lapha ejele, I want them to separate ngale ndlela lexakile. I just want uMaNgcobo to get someone appreciateayo like uNgaraj does. So uNgaraj found out from uZethu ukuthi uMaNgcobo uhlala esalon, and then uNgaraj apho sangamase kusuke lapha straight wayocheck uMaNgcobo esalon how she was doing. And then when they got there, they shared this moment. Yes, as I've said at the beginning of this video, bekade ngayilutho olutheni. It was just a moment nje, them talking, but you could tell from the way that they looked at each other, from the way that they talk, you could tell man uNgaraj buka uMaNgcobo uNgaraj ukuthi khona ngenzeka between the two, because they love each other and they care for each other, unlike uShwabi who doesn't care about uMaNgcobo, who just does as he wants. So I got so excited watching it and said to myself, yazi if this is happening shuthi maningi ama chances these two can get back together, benze into yabo babe right, wonke umuntu abe happy afterwards. Angazi mhlawumbe mina I was too harsh on uShwabi, because I saw that some people were saying that uMaNgcobo should just forgive uShwabi and move on, because you could tell now uShwabi which is putting more effort. Yambona usiyazama naye ukuthi uMaNgcobo amxolele and then yonke into be right between them. But I'm glad ukuthi uMaNgcobo ayingeni yonke lo nto leyo, as much as esahlala emzini wakhe and everything. Ukhombisa wona khona ukuthi bangabuyelana, because akanayo indawo zoyayona. Uma ngabe hlwana noShwabi, that means he's gonna have to go and look for another place, which is a little bit difficult. So angazi ukuthi uMaNgcobo will choose inhliziyo yakhe yini, which is uNgaraj, or uzochoose imali, which is uShwabi. So comment there on the comment section, guys, and share your thoughts about this. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share this video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even on your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. So thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.